In this video, I'll show you how to make an image transparent in CapCut PC. Let's use this video and image as an example. First, drag and drop the video to the timeline as the background. Then, drag the image and place it above the video layer. Adjust the duration of the image clip by dragging its edges on the timeline. Resize and position the image in the preview screen as needed. Next, go to the Video Basic Settings and scroll down to Blend. Click it and you'll find the opacity option. Use the slider to make the image transparent. After completing this, you can also go to Video Mask for further adjustments to the image. You can also add some fade in and fade out animations if desired. That's it! Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.